Hi kids. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about those signboards. Have you ever seen signboards on the roads? These signboards guide us and keep everyone safe. Let's learn road signs to be smart and safe travelers. Traffic lights. It has 3 colors. Red light means you have to stop. Yellow means be ready. Green means go. Traffic lights control the movement of vehicles and keep everyone safe. Stop. This sign tells drivers to stop completely before moving ahead. No entry. This sign means vehicles are not allowed to enter this road. Speed limit. This sign shows the maximum speed allowed on the road. The speed limits are always written on the board. No parking. This sign means you cannot park your vehicle here. If you will park on no parking, you have to pay fine. One way. This sign shows that traffic can move in only one direction. Two-way. This sign shows that traffic can move in both directions. U-turn. This sign means drivers are allowed to take a U-turn. U-turn prohibited. This sign means drivers are not allowed to take a U-turn. No horn. This tells drivers not to use their horn in this area. Mostly this sign is found near hospitals and schools. Pedestrian crossing. This sign shows a place where people can safely cross the road. School zone. This tells the drivers to slow down because a school is nearby. Railway crossing. This sign warns drivers that a railway track is ahead. So kids, today you learned many traffic signals. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you again.